is HP DeskJet 4155E wireless color printer. Are you looking for a reliable and easy-to-use printer for your iPad? The HP DeskJet 4155E wireless color printer is the perfect choice for you. This all-in-one printer is designed to offer convenience, affordability, and flexibility, making it the best printer for iPad users. One of the most significant advantages of this printer is its compatibility with the HP Smart app, which allows you to print, scan, and copy from your iPad or any other mobile device. With this app, you can easily access your printer and manage your printing tasks, even when you're away from home or the office. The HP DeskJet 4155E wireless color printer also comes with a 6-month free subscription for instant ink delivery. With this service, you can be assured that you will never run out of ink, as the ink ships automatically. This is especially beneficial for iPad users who rely on their printers for everyday tasks like printing photos, documents, and emails. Another standout feature of this printer is its worry-free wireless connectivity. With dual-band Wi-Fi, you can get a better range and more reliable connections, ensuring that you can print from anywhere in your home or office without worrying about connection issues. In addition to its advanced features, the HP DeskJet 4155E wireless color printer is also very user-friendly. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link given in the description box to buy it.